Well, this is a semi-cold start of my 2000 Chevrolet Blazer. I'm not going to show the license plate, so don't worry about it. Here it is. I'm a noob to camera shit. This isn't even my camera, it's my sister's. See if my key doesn't fit exactly right. Alright, fit. Awesome. Anyway. As you can tell, let me zoom this fucker out. I ain't going to. Oh well. It's cold as fuck out here, by the way. It's about 10 degrees colder. Oh, there it goes. Alright. I'd tilt it, but as you can tell, the dash ain't on it. So, there it goes. There she goes. She's running. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, this is the fucking radio I bought. It's a nice little Sony. You probably can't even see it. This camera's not fantabulous. But, tell you whether or not it's smoking. Like I said, it's semi-cold. The gauge is showing... Fuck, I can't even see it. It's showing that it's cold. My dash lights don't work. As you can tell, they're unhooked. Anyway. Don't show the license plate. Do you see any smoke coming out of that little thing? Sounds like shit. It's a nice little truck, though. It is. It's in mint condition inside out. I haven't cleaned it since I got it, though, so I've only had it a couple of months. Bird shit is beautiful, and holy shit is it cold. 4.3 Vortec, central port, runs smooth as silk. I'm sorry for the shaky camera shooting. I told you I'm new. Camera's stuck zoomed in, so I don't know how to turn it off. But it's running. By God, it's running great. Hear the fuel pump? Aftermarket speakers in the dash, yay! Never put the covers back on. The door panel's off in the back. This thing got a light. Fuck no. Okay. Alright, back there you can't see shit. I'll open it. Don't show the license plate. Even though I obviously live in West Virginia. Anyway, aftermarket speaker right there. It's Sony. Piece of shit. Sounds okay, ghetto wired. Alright. Let's see. How do you stop it? You just push the little button? I guess. Factory, everything else. Factory rims. In good shape. No rust anywhere. Look at these hinges. They're like brand new. They're rusty on the passenger side though. I can give you a video under it, but I ain't got no coat on. I'm not laying down in that shit. Anyway. The door panel's actually on this side. But there's a little bit of rust there. As you can see, don't look too healthy, but as you can hear, if you can hear it, shit, it is that quiet. It runs like new. 145,000 and you can't fucking read that. 145,281. That's fuzzy as fuck. Alright. Cheers to my Blazer that I'm in the process of fixing up. Give her a little rev for you cold revving freaks. I know it's not good for my car. I don't give a shit. Alright, done. Anything else I want to show y'all? Oh, this is the bolt right here. If you can see that. No, you can't see shit. Anyway, you see where that fucking connector is? There's a bolt right down there. That's, I'm grounding it too. It arced, so my CD player won't work. It's not even hooked up right now. Factory radio's laying back there. But anyway, okay, I've done did 4 minutes, 5 minutes. go ahead and walk back in. Sorry, you know, I'm not looking at anything most of the time. That's the little thing out of that I'm not too worried about. It's got bird shit in it and stuff. I'm probably going to leave it there. Neighbor's car. Impala. Street I live on. Pretty. Anyways, let me get back here so y'all can see the old truck at once. Again. Alright. There you go. It's a fucking 2000 Chevrolet Blazer. What more can you ask